The Medwave Red Light Therapy device is a cutting-edge tool designed to enhance your overall well-being by reducing cortisol levels and stabilizing hormone levels. This innovative device harnesses the power of red light therapy, a non-invasive treatment that penetrates deep into the skin to stimulate cellular repair and rejuvenation. By targeting the body at a cellular level, Medwave Red Light Therapy helps in lowering stress-induced cortisol levels, promoting a more balanced hormonal environment. This equilibrium is essential for improving energy levels, boosting metabolism, and enhancing mood. Regular sessions with the Medwave Red Light Therapy device can lead to significant improvements in your physical and emotional health, making it an invaluable addition to your wellness routine. Experience the transformative effects of balanced hormones and rediscover your zest for life with Medwave. Call our office today and ask about our special introductory offers. Your body and mind will be glad you did.